Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I will show you how to enable storage permission from your PUBG mobile game. So when I try to open my PUBG game via my Samsung Galaxy M30s Android mobile, but it shows the notification message and the message is PUBG mobile is requesting storage permissions to save game data. So if you not enable this option, your PUBG game related data are not saved. Which means that if you start this game in next time, this game starts from beginning. So you can lose your all finished levels. So to avoid this kind of situations, always enable this storage permissions. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. And the direct method is, if you get this notification, just click to OK. And then it asks for your confirmation. So you can click to allow. And then my PUBG is now ready to play. So otherwise, if you are not asking for this confirmation of storage permission, just close this PUBG game. And then open your Android mobile settings. So here you can locate apps category. And then click to open it. So here it shows my entire install applications, but in this section you can locate that PUBG game. So just scroll down. So finally I locate it and then click to open it. And it shows this application related settings, but you can go to permissions. So finally you can click to enable this option, storage, and the second one. And also I try to check it if my storage problem is fixed or not. So one more time, just click to open your PUBG game. So and then you can see now my game is starts to opening and it does not ask for any storage permissions, which means that this problem is solved. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.